Hi everyone and welcome to the EEG or the English Easy GOLDSTAR channel. And this video is the reading practice 5. Right up. Alright, let's start our reading practice. Okay, follow after me. Above, above, above. Okay, next word. Afraid, afraid, afraid. Okay, next. Book, book, book. Next. Box, box, box. Okay, next word. Candy, candy, candy. Okay, next one. Change, change, change. Okay, next. Dinner, dinner, dinner. Okay, next. Dishes, dishes, dishes. Okay, next word. Else, else, else. Okay, next. Enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. Okay, next word. Forest, forest, forest. Next. Forgot, forgot, forgot. Next. Great, great, great. Next. Grew, grew, grew. Next. Here, here, here. Okay, next one. Help, help, help. Okay, next. Hill, hill, hill. Okay, next. It, it, it. Next. It's, it's, it's. Next word. Lives, lives, lives. Okay, next. Long, long, long. Okay, next word. Mom, mom, mom. Okay, next. My, my, my. Next. News, news, news. Next. Noise, noise, noise. Okay, next. Page, page, page. Okay, next. Park, park, park. Next. Race, race, race. Okay, next word. Reach, reach, reach. Okay, next. Scare, scare, scare. Next one. Second, second, second. Okay, next. Through, through, through. Okay, next. Though, though, though. Okay, next. Well, well, well. Okay, next. Went, went, went. Next. Yard, yard, yard. Next. Young, young, young. Okay, next word. Afternoon, afternoon, afternoon. Okay, next. Again, again, again. Okay, next. Boy, boy, boy. Next. But, but, but. Next. Cave, cave, cave. Next. Catch, catch, catch. Next. Duck, duck, duck. Next, dry, dry, dry. Okay, next one, everything, everything, everything. Okay, next, event, event, event. Next, forget, forget, forget. Next, forgive, forgive, forgive. Okay, next, ground, ground, ground. Next, guess, guess, guess. Next, head, head, head. Next, herd, herd, herd. Next, land, land, land. Next, last, last, last. Next, making, making, making. Next, male, male, male. Okay, next, number, number, number. Okay, next, nothing, nothing, nothing. Next, open, open, open. Next, outside, outside, outside. Next, paper, paper, paper. Next, party, party, party. Next, ready, ready, ready. Okay, next, reading, reading, reading. Next, since, since, since. Next, slowly, slowly, slowly. Okay, next, through, through, through. Okay, next, tired, tired, tired. Next, wait, wait, wait. Next, wagon, wagon, wagon. Okay, good. Let's just read again some of the words. Okay, above, above, above. Okay, next, afraid, afraid, afraid. Next, candy, candy, candy. Okay, next, change, change, change. Next, forest, forest, forest. Next, forgot, forgot, forgot. Next, grew, grew, grew. Okay, next, it, it, it. Next, it's, it's, it's. Next one, noose, noose, noose. Next, scare, scare, scare. Next, through, through, through. Next, though, though, though. Okay, next one, young, young, young. Next, afternoon, afternoon, afternoon. Okay, next, everything, everything, everything. Okay, next, ground, ground, ground. Next, guess, guess, guess. Okay, next, herd, herd, herd. Next, number, number, number. Okay, next, nothing, nothing, nothing. Next, outside, outside, outside. Next, paper, paper, paper. Next, party, party, party. Next, ready, ready, ready. Okay, next, since, since, since. Next, through, through, through. Okay, next, tired, tired, tired. And the last one, wagon, wagon, wagon. Okay, good. We are done with the 5th reading practice, and thank you so much for watching. We hope that you keep learning with us. Again, please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Stick around for the next video. Bye for now.